Gabby. Hey, Gabby.
What the fuck?
That's only like 4 hours. But still get paid 8. Do I still want to do that?
Let me get a little taller. Like, it's not my accurate height.
Hold on.
think
If
it's
you
I
only
lose
work
all my-
an
oh, I
hour
lost all my
and get
points.
Paid 8. You better do
Yeah.
that. Then that sets precedence for them to make.
Yeah, I can get them all back.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you. I got you.
I got you too.
Look at Sledge being silly.
No, Sledge is solid with advice.
Christmas win. Oh no.
So that means anything about
Oh no.
Gronk is here.
Now that's cute. Since fucking Isabel and Doomsday are canonically married, that's amazing.
Exactly. Yep.
My mic was muted, my bad.
My boy Crunk
Yeah.
here.
Hi, Gronk. Oh, my arm.
Who? Gronk? Baby
Yo, I
Gronk?
counted the snipers. I got
Oh my
it.
god,
Gronk.
Gronk.
I'm sick with
Alright,
this.
I have
Shit.
Oh
What
my
are you
god.
gonna do?
shit.
Oh, the shit's about to start.
Yay. I'm in a room alone with no exits.
My brother
Yay.
here?
Hello, granddaughter.
Yo, someone shoot Bunny, please.
Oh yeah, it's all coming
Someone
together.
please shoot Bunny.
What'd I do?
It's all coming together. Nah, it's more like
Yo, shoot her.
Markiplier.
No,
Hello, Port.
Hi.
Hello, Sledge.
My Canon
Hello,
light.
radio.
Who's this?
Yo, can I
on
clone
my-
that?
Hello, bunny.
Have you seen
What
my brother?
I don't know.
Don't worry about it.
The cell doors will open in 30 seconds.
Damn,
Job
you
for
look
what?
like a gun, you look thick,
Why are you
Bunny.
sharing
Holy
that cell
shit.
with your
I'm an
grandpa?
artist. I draw.
What the
I like,
fuck is wrong with
I
you?
like drawing women.
Come on, girl. Give me that.
How dare you
rifle.
compare her to the song
Bunny
Thick of
will
It?
eat your pussy. Give me the rifle.
I'm gonna give you the rifle. No, Sledge. No, 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 no. Hello, Sledge.
Damn.
Damn, my tummy doesn't
That's
seem
an
to be too
insult,
happy
buddy.
about
She
having
ain't
more
let you
alcohol
munch
in
on
it
her
than
back.
fucking food.
The cell doors have been opened.
My liver doesn't like the alcohol it's eating.
I don't like alcohol. It makes my stomach bubble.
Key card. I was gonna say it's the bug going around.
I got my eye on you.
I'm not doing anything
Found a
illegal.
lighter.
They're doing something illegal. They're smoking in the bathroom.
I need the.
Dude, my headset's low, so I gotta go get my charger, but...
Hey, money.
Okay.
And nothing
Hey,
else.
hey. Damn it.
25 bucks.
I need a key, bro. I need a key.
Oh.
Ooh, money.
I just told you where a key card is.
Wait, what's this way?
Where?
Damn it.
Fucking stupid.
We need a fucking lighter, dude. Who has the fucking lighter? Someone took the lighter.
Well, guys.
Oh, come on, man. Don't do this to me, bro. Don't do...
You're a prisoner.
Oh shit.
We're all
You
prisoners.
shouldn't have done that, man. That was a pretty chill cop. He got me this gun.
Well, I did not know, and I thought he was going to, I don't know, buy a box or something.
Just killed a fucking criminal man. How dare you?
And it'll be alright.
Damn it, man. Now
I
just
need
have to
500
fucking
points. I have
fuck.
55. Yeah, I need a gun.
Let me in, guys. Dad.
Alarm's going off.
Dad. Sledge.
I saw
Thanks.
Well, looks like it's first come, first serve. Shit. Okay, somebody's from the tower.
Yo, I got it covered.
Shooting, if you appreciate our friendship, you won't kill me.
Man.
Alert! A prisoner is opening the gate.
Right here,
What?
right here, bro. Right here, bro. Right here,
I know,
Bro. Right here,
I
bro.
gotta
Get
get
this
up.
vent. Get this vent.
My hands are full. Back up. You get the next one. What's your gun?
Get him.
We won!
Sick.
somebody
Let's
put
go.
my money on that.
Let's go.
That shit is
Let's go,
crazy.
Corpus. Let's
Oh
go.
my God.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. MVP right here, helping me out and shit.
I was going on
And to be fair, I
You
didn't
did
kill you.
great.
Yeah, I didn't kill you.
I know.
Nah, dude, I was on
High
your team,
five.
bro. I was on
I
your
know,
team.
I know you're on the
I was
same team.
one-
I'm talking to her. She's my friend.
Shoot me.
What's our floating shotgun?
Let's go, Doom Slayer. We're guards. We got this.
Okay, I
shit.
need more points.
Where's the sniper?
Snipers in the watchtower.
Okay.
Why are you scared you're gonna drop or something?
You better be good with that sniper.
No, I'm not scared. But, well, I don't care to solo queue right now. But, if we were to play comp, I'll join that.
What about me?
It don't matter to me.
The cell doors will open in 30 seconds.
Hey, ready.
30 seconds.
The cell doors have been opened.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Already. What's going on? Fire?
Shut the fuck up.
You son of a... What was that? Not even point blank with a shotgun. You hit my shoulder. Oh my gosh, they're done for.
Right.
I was so close.
They're all getting out.
You guys are gonna win anyway. It's 9v2. Because that's fair.
Yeah.
Jojo.
Oh, the lag on this
Damn,
headset.
what you ain't talking for?
Hey, Peter.
Shit, are you trying to spectate?
Lord, you
What-
died.
So close. I should have just had Gabby come with me to unlock the gate. Fuck you, dickhead.
60.
No regrets.
I fucking hate Sledge.
Why?
What'd he do?
Okay. Okay, so, I'm up on the watchtower, right? I have the sniper, and then
Yeah.
I hear Sledge saying, "Hey
Oh
Jake,"
my
so I
God,
move out of the way.
yeah,
But this
that's
man is
insane.
shooting a
That's what I'm
ghost,
saying.
and
That
he still
nigga
kills
radio
me.
is a that nigga radio is a fucking commander. That nigga said we gotta fire at that shit immediately. Commander, brain day nigga, and then I was like,
Let's go,
okay,
dude.
what that nigga said.
But it worked though. It worked though, right? It worked.
Yeah, that's how we won last round.
Radio, radio.
can't
Did
see
you see
no.
that flank I did on
Oh,
the
that shit
tower?
blitzkrieg.
Alright, hey Dawson, there you are, there you are, there you
Dead
are.
homies.
Dead on.
God damn, give me the fucking rifle. You guys can't even shoot.
Yo, that
What
one
boxes?
guy. Yo, he
What?
pissed me the fuck off.
didn't
That
you die
motherfucker
last
got
time?
every damn
You died,
prisoner
didn't
on
you?
fire.
Dude, I fucking took out the sniper.
Technically, we all died.
Oh.
I was taking fucking hits off.
Okay, somebody's in the closet. Eye shooting.
Hello.
The cell doors will open in 30 seconds.
Hey, where are you going? Run away, cat! Run away, cat!
What?
Somebody lost our cat!
Oh dear, you better get him, Corp.
I got him already.
The cell doors have been opened.
What a weird prison.
Ooh, Ducky. Is that
Shooting. Shooting.
You wanna shoot me, right?
I won't shoot you if you won't stab me.
Okay.
Oh god, you're swinging it around. See, folks, that's friendship. Oh god, somebody's already out. Oh, fuck! I gotta get to them before they get to the armory. No! No! Who's left?
Yo, I'm not about to take that risk, bro. Wait a damn minute.
Down here, down here. Am I the last one? Oh, wait, who's left? Oh no, I don't like being in stressful situations.
There is 1 minute remaining.
Yeah, but where's the last prisoner? Oh no. Part of me wants to go find him, part of me wants to stay up here and guard. That's the guard. It's not in here. Over there. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, we
How
don't
you won?
I'm gonna be missing out.
I did not kill you.
I'm not gonna survive.
Hold on.
I'm the only one alive.
I thought I was the only one alive.
I know there's a few.
Oh, really?
I thought it was gonna be a 1v1, you and me, and I was like, what better truce?
Oh, you were.
So basically, it's like Super Monkey Ball, right?
No, I was the second guy alive. It was me and one other person. That other person killed you, not me.
It was good though.
Yep. Him and his bizarre adventures. Ooh, I can't escape.
Stop.
Having a conversation with him too.
Yo, can I just put these underneath the ground?
You are not.
double fisted.
Double fisting.
Alright.
Yo, they
The cell doors will open
They
in 30
escaped.
seconds.
Bro, why
Already?
are you just buddy? Okay.
Wow,
I'm not gonna
that's
die,
fun.
bro.
No,
I'm not
there-
gonna die for
there's
bro.
Corefish.
Lord, don't move.
Jake.
Lord, don't move.
Did everyone escape but me? Is this where I'm the good boy round?
Oh shit, I just closed the door on myself.
The cell doors have been opened.
Okay, this is scary. Where is everyone? Do I want to? No, not yet. If I have to. but I don't see. Aw, my friend left. Well, I'll probably end this video after this round then. Win or lose. I'm so confused. Where is everyone? No? Oh. Okay, well. Oh, VR ball.
Yeah, honestly, I'm also just kind of thinking of. Doing something different.
No!
I just hate room
This one's
bugs.
so good. Oh, it's only 3
It was funny because I just slowly like went behind you. I don't think you noticed I was behind you.
I did not know. I thought it was Lord that killed me.
Well, it's literally anyone's game now.
It's father versus son right now.
I might go to a public after this.
Yeah, you're all good.
Ooh, ooh. It's a showdown.
Except one of them's retreating.
It's a showdown between dad and
They
father.
both got the same gun?
Going to the court. He's going to court. Heading towards the laundry room. What are you doing, Dad? What are you doing,
He's probably
Dad?
gonna go to the front. To the gate.
He's gonna escape. Well, maybe. Yeah.
Dad!
Alright.
He realized he gotta go for the pole.
Yep.
No.
Nice. Uh-huh.
Damn it.
Alright, everyone switch to